my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with LUVMEHAIR again, you know, one of my favorites. They sent me over this 12-inch big loose wave 5x5 closure wig, okay? And she's giving everyday, and she's giving sexy, and she's giving I wear this to work. I'm wearing this to work. I can wear this to work, okay? Yes, it's giving I'm bossy. I'm bossy. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Stop. I love it too much. Okay, so yes, I freaking love it. If you guys want to see me unbox this, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you leave your Instagram handle in the comments below, you will be entered in a chance to win a free wig, a lightly used wig, and gifts, okay? I'm still running this giveaway, so make sure you guys share with your friends and all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Check off everything, comment, subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, okay? Put your Instagram in the comment, okay? All right, so if you guys want to see me install this Bobbiana, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so we're back with another Love Me wig. This is the second part to the last Love Me wig that I did. So you get your little baggie, your little tissue paper, wig cap, card with like hair care and stuff in there. Then you get a little pouch that has an edge wrap, a mirror, and a baby hair brush. So this is the wig here. So we have a 12-inch big loose 4x4 closure wig. It does have the elastic band inside. It also has four combs left, right. There is a comb in the center here for extra security, and then one down here, and then of course your adjustable straps right here. So little close-up on the lace. The lace looks good. She's definitely pre-plucked. Hold on, let me get a better angle. Looking good. She already has a nice little curve part, which I really love. The curls look good. They're bouncy. Ooh, they're nice and bouncy. So cute. I love how these wigs are coming like pre-curled. Like my last couple of wigs that I've done have been like crimped, pre-curled, or like I didn't have to manipulate them a lot. So I like that, and it's easier for y'all if y'all don't know how to curl hair or nothing, you know. Put it on. I think I'm gonna make these curls just a little bit looser though. I'll probably go in with the hot comb. But yeah, so I'm just going to put some foundation on this lace. The knots look really, oh, this is, oh, these knots are pre-bleached too. Hold on. Oh my gosh, can you guys see? The knots are bleached. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Period. Period. Off camera, I'm gonna put some foundation on the parting. I mean, on the lace, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys see me install this real quick. Bobbiana, Bobbiana. The Bobbiana is giving. She's giving. I love it. I love her. So yeah, so let me tell you guys real quick what I did. All I did was I mean, of course you guys just saw, but I just went in with the flat iron and just loosened up the curls and did like a little bump on the end. I did end up plucking a little bit on the hairline. I didn't put any foundation or anything in the parting. This is just what it looks like naturally, and I like it. I think it just looks natural, so that's why I didn't put anything on it or like do anything, because I think it looks really good. The part that they put in it is just nice, and then the hair has this nice little like bump. The bump, I like it. And you could just like, you know, run your fingers through it and bring it back forward, and it's just, it's easy. It's definitely easy. But yeah, so this is a 5x5 closure, so it comes it's from here to here. The ears look like this, that, but you don't have to worry about any of that. That's why I love a closure, because it's super easy. This hair has so much body, so much movement. As you guys can see, she looks beautiful, lots of body. If you get outside, which it's a nice day outside today, as you guys can see. It's making my light in front of me dark because there's like too much sun behind me. I should probably get like a blackout curtain or something to put over that. But anyway, yes, it's giving. Let me show you guys the back real quick. So yes, this is the wig from Love Me. Again, it is a 12-inch big loose curl 5x5 closure. Is it 5x5 or 4x4? I think it's 5x5. Anyway, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Also, follow me on Instagram so you guys can see my posts with this wig on. I'm also going to do some reels and stuff too. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see all the content. Okay, I really love her. She's just like messy and cute and effortless. Like, even if this does get messy, like, it's not gonna look bad. That's why I love like bobs, because bobs are easy, and this one can be like messy, and it's not, you're not gonna be like self-conscious about it. So I love that. I love that for me, and I love it for you, okay? But yes, thank you again, Love Me Hair, for sending me this wig. Don't forget to check the description box for all the information on this wig. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.